Hi, it's New Year's Eve, and I'm going to prepare a little treat for myself that our family's been doing for years on New Year's Eve. If people didn't have a party to go to and people were at home, would make little salami sandwiches. So what we've got here is you're going to use like the pumpernickel or a rye bread, whichever you prefer, or mix and match. Little salami, lunch meat, whatever brand you prefer, and some Swiss cheese. Now I've already buttered the little breads and I put them on a pan because we're gonna broil all this. And you're just gonna, here's the salami, here's the Swiss cheese. We're just going to cut it up in quarters. And put it on the breads. Pop them in the oven under the broiler until the cheese melts. Until it starts to bubble. Very simple, very tasty. So now we put the salami down first. I went ahead and buttered the bread because I didn't think you wanted to sit around watching me butter bread for 5 minutes. So you may not want to sit around watching me do this. But these are really tasty. Nice little easy snack. Anytime you want it. We always do it New Year's Eve and have them whenever we want. And I'll do them sometimes throughout the year just because I get a taste for them and go, ooh, that'd be good. All right, got those on. Then we just put the cheese on. When had more of a family, would be doing like 3 or 4 cookie sheets of this. Just fill everyone up. Just keep them coming. And then I'm going to keep 4 of them plain. Black olives. Black olives on 4 of them. Green olives. Put green olives on 4 of them. Leave 3 of them plain. I put extra black olives in there because I want to eat a couple. Remember when you were a kid and you put black olives on your fingers and eat them that way? That's the way you eat them as a kid. All right, we're going to put this in the oven with the broiler on until the cheese starts to bubble. Get myself a plate. What I'm going to have with it is some of the cheese dip that I made the other night. It's on another video. Scoop of that, put it on my plate. Don't have any potato chips to go with it because I'm not going to pay $5 for a bag of potato chips. just last year, I was able to get potato chips for $1.77 on sale. Okay? And when they were on sale, I'd stock up. They haven't been on sale in quite a while. No reason, cost of potatoes didn't go up that much. Cost of transportation didn't go up that much. So, what I'm gonna eat with these, with the cheese dip, is Cheetos. Now these are usually like $3.89 a box. On sale, 99 cents. So I stocked up. Inflation isn't that bad. It's food prices that are bad. So, don't buy stuff that's regular price unless you absolutely need it, like, milk and bread. You need to pay what the going rate is. But potato chips, snacks. My dad used to call potato chips and snacks like this hard air. Okay, so we got that. How you guys doing? You're looking all right. And I'm going to get some extra black olives just to nibble on my little treat plate here. Again, black olives, they can be $3 a can. I got these 2 for $3. So, buy things when they're on sale, folks. Stock up, if you're able to. All right, they are just about ready. The ones that have black olives on them, the black olives kind of rolled off. So that's all right. I'll still eat them. But, all right, so I got my Cheez-Its. Have a little taste of dip. Good stuff. And that's what they look like. And they're delicious. Nice little snack. I'll finish up the rest of these in a little while. I may even make more later on tonight. So, try them out. Very simple, very tasty. Nice little treat for a special occasion or any occasion. So, try them out. Subscribe, like. If you try them and you like them, come back and make a comment and tell me how you liked them. Come back again and see me. Bye-bye.